My fellow Kenyan, dear Kenyans, Wakenya kwa jumla, Sudan is bleeding. Just the other day, 2 days ago, ndio niliwaambia kwamba RSF aka Janjaweed, they had managed to take over a city called Al-Fisa. I think I got right. Al-Fisa. Tangu wa take over Al-Fisa, na mkubwa wa now the real government, nimesahau jina yake, alisema kwamba wakati Janjaweed walikuwa wamesha kuja, wamekaribia na kulikuwa na a battle between Janjaweed and the state army, watu wa Al-Fisa, the city, walikuja wakabeg wanajeshi kwamba at least wanaweza survive ama watakuwa a bit, kutakuwa na lesser casualties kama the state army inaweza retrieve, inaweza pull out of that nini. Labda walikuwa natarajia kwamba RSF watawaspare more. Because I think residents thought kwamba it's just a matter of occupation. Hawakuwa wanajua kwamba nao kutakuwa na tena mass tortures, hangings na executions. So here we are. Now this story ya Sudan is the most trending stories in the world. So this is what we are going to do. Kwa each video you are coming across, especially an international video, hapo kwa comment section, download those pictures zenye Gethinji alikuwa amepiga akiwa na Hemedi. Hemedi ndio mkubwa wa RSF na Janjaweed. Download those videos na stills zenye Gethinji alikuwa amepiga na RSF leader Janjaweed. Na hata download ile video ya Gachagua akisema any atrocities that are happening to the Sudanese people, courtesy of RSF, know that they are being funded by William Ruto. Download those videos because we want to attach each picture and each video to each and every video yenye ina circulate about Sudan na RSF. Now, we want people and the world to know that sahi, they are actually, everybody is pressuring UAE because UAE now is the mastermind of all this. But they have to understand there is a closer mastermind. Gethinji right here alihost RSF hapa Kenya na akawasaidia kutengeneza a parallel state wakiwaga hapa Kenya. So each video you're coming across, especially an international video, make sure you download those pictures of Gethinji with Janjaweed, RSF leader Hemedi right here in Kenya, and put it on the comment section. People have to understand now there's another hand of UAE right here in Kenya. And the death and the massacre and everything that is happening to the Sudanese people, courtesy of RSF, lies squarely in the hands of Gethinji. This is the same person anazungukaga na Biblia akisema Bwana asifiwe. This is the same person pretended that he's emotional because Raila died. This is one person who keeps on telling people kwamba he will not stop building the houses of God. Bro, we need to do something. We need to send this information worldwide. As I wrap up this information, kwa wale watu waliorganize demonstrations zile za Free Palestine, tutafurahi sana pia kama mnaweza organize ingine ya Free Sudan. But I know hii yenye inakuwaga ni religious zombieism. Whenever somebody else kills a Muslim, inakuwa ni issue kwenyu sana. But if Muslims are killing fellow Muslims, ama if are the Muslims carrying out the murders, it is always okay for you. In the meantime, whatever is happening to the innocent children, women and men of Sudan, the people being killed by RSF, they have the blessings of William.